Hello, Sharpening blades, welcome back. This is the second of 3 sharpening commissions I've got for Funky Prepper, and this is his liner lock Gerber. Now, this one's been used, which is cool to see. There's a lot of work on the blade. I'm going to dress it down initially on the belt sander, and then whilst that's going on, my Japanese water stones I got through Sean Mahal are soaking in the water tank, and I'll put Japanese water stone edge on it. This one he wants razor sharp, so quite a simple way of doing it. Belt sander, Japanese water stones. Will we join me? Basically the edge dressed. All I want to do is finish it off on Japanese water stones. So in the water tank I've got a dual grade stone just soaked right up with a rubber sort of joiner in the middle. That's going to go into a wooden block that I had lying around that fits exactly right. Goes onto the bench. I'll show you how to get an edge up by bringing the camera down in a second. Okay, so the stone is now soaked. I'm literally going to go like this with one side of the blade several times in one direction on the coarse side of this Japanese water stone. I think this is 1,000 this side, the other side is 6,000, so there's about 8 to 10. Now I go to the other side, don't kick the tripod, hold it down. Very therapeutic, this. That feels very, very, very sharp already. If I wipe that off my traces, be able to see that nice keen edge on there. I'm going to carry it on here for a few more minutes before the water soaks away, because you've got to keep re-dipping it in the water, because it's a very porous type of clay stone. And now we'll get on to the last set. Okay, and the last stage is the finer side, which is 6,000 grit, and then whilst that's wet you rub it on top with a Nagura stone, and this creates a slick of this grit on the stone. Like this. You should see it sort of slicking up, and then you start off again. But this is 6,000 grit. Straight away you can see a great black line of steel coming off. I'll get back when that's done, but you've really got to keep soaking this in water. Okay, Been a fair while on that stone, but it's pretty sharp. I've actually tried to improve the hollow grind look of it as well, so hopefully he's happy with that. Funny piece of steel though, was very hard to sharpen. So that's the Gerber, done for Funky Prepper. So, Music Blades, thanks for joining me again.